ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಈ ಭೂತಾಯಮ್ಮ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಮೊದಲು ಒಂದು ಶ್ಲೋಕ, ಅವರು ಏನು ಹಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮಹಾದೇವ ಸುತಂ ಮಹಾದೇವ ಸುತಂ ಗುರು ಗುಹನುತಂ ಮಹಾದೇವ ಸುತಂ ಗುರು ಗುಹನುತಂ ಮಹಾದೇವ ಸುತಂ ಗುರು ಗುಹನುತಂ ಮಾರಕೋಟಿ ಪ್ರಕಾಶಂ ಶಾಂತಂ ಮಹಾದೇವ ಸುತಂ ಗುರು ಗುಹನುತಂ ಮಾರಕೋಟಿ ಪ್ರಕಾಶಂ ಶಾಂತಂ ಮಹಾಕಾವ್ಯ ನಾಟಕಾದಿ ಪ್ರಿಯಂ ಮಹಾಕಾವ್ಯ ನಾಟಕಾದಿ ಪ್ರಿಯಂ ಮೂಷಿಕ ವಾಹನ ಮೋದಕ ಪ್ರಿಯಂ ಮಹಾಕಾವ್ಯ ನಾಟಕಾದಿ ಪ್ರಿಯಂ ಮೂಷಿಕ ವಾಹನ ಮೋದಕ ಪ್ರಿಯಂ ಮಹಾಗಣಪತಿಂ ಸ್ಮರಾಮಿ ವಸಿಷ್ಠ ವಾಮದೇವಾದಿ ವಂದಿತ ಮಹಾಗಣಪತಿಂ.
ಯಾರಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ತೊಂದರೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. 10-11 ಹೋಗಿ.
Hi everybody, so welcome to Value Point's Value Green Mission Project. So today we have taken the first step in our 28 years of history to start adopting Value Green Mission Project. So this project is all about planting trees and just not planting, maintaining it for at least 3 years on a consistent basis. So we are very lucky to get associated with Rotary and local authorities in this village, and today we are planting 100 trees, and they are not ordinary trees, they are of lot of medicinal values and very long term life of these trees, and this is a way to dedicate this for Mother Earth. This is a way to show our gratitude for giving back to the nature. So thank you. Join us, Value Green Mission Project.
Hi, I'm Sampath here. I'm so happy that today, I'm here with, my fellow colleagues here, and including some of the family members, including my family members too. Very fast, unique, opportunity where we are all, chosen a day today to plant about, 100 plus, plants here to, for saving the Mother Earth here. And planning here, and also we are committed to maintain this for the next 2 to 3 years. We often promised come here to see the progress development of these plants growing up, and that's how we intend to shape our future too. Thank you very much.
I'm very happy to be part of this green initiative. I hope I can come here and nurture this little plant into growing into a big tree. Thank you so much for this opportunity, Value Point.
This initiative is to save the world. This initiative is to save the earth. Change the climate. Be yourself.
Thank you.
And, I'm at this, place called Bhutayamma Temple. We have taken up Green Value, which is a green initiative from Value Point Systems. It's an amazing place. If you see, it's all surrounded by hillock and slightly dry area. And Value Point has taken the initiative to plant close to about 200 odd plants here, and feeling very nice to be one with the nature. And we also have taken up work to maintain these trees, just not planting them for one day, to have fun, but we also have taken oath to maintain these trees for three odd years. Right? Thanks Value Point for this great initiative. I'm just loving it. It's fantastic. Take care. Cheers. Let's make a green world a happy world. Thank you.
This is one of the best experiences what I'm undergoing. Normally, we have seen people planting trees and we are doing this will be a really different experience, and coming with a entire colleagues and doing this in a mass is really a beautiful experience, and it's a lifetime experience what I see. Thank you very much to Shanbag and entire team.
It's been a great initiative that Value Point has taken up. Every time it's a new initiative, wonderful initiatives that Value Point takes it. But this time it's very unique. We have come out of Bangalore, out of skirts, and we are involved in planting the trees along with the family. It's a wonderful location near the temple and foothills of the temple. It's a wonderful location along with the family also can enjoy. I am here with my wife and the kid. They're enjoying the whole journey here. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Nikita. I'm really glad to be a part of this initiative today. I think it's really important for us youngsters to understand the importance of preservation of nature. Climate change, ecosystem degradation are issues that we're facing, and we're facing the impact of it now, and it's going to get severe in some time. With people like Greta spearheading these movements, I think this is our small way of contributing towards the preservation of nature, and I'm really glad to be a part of this initiative today.
Myself Sadaran, I'm from Bangalore. Today we are here in Kolar to do a planting a tree. It's very good atmosphere here, and yesterday it rained. It's so good and so happy we are here, and we are enjoying this. Thank you.
Hi, it's a great activity today. It's amazing. We are enjoying it, loving it. Ideally, it's a good opportunity for all of us, which is created by our management today. We are working towards the Go Green activity, and definitely it is our responsibility as a citizen to nurture this green activity, and obviously we are aim for it, and we would continue this, and we will create more and more green in our earth. Thank you.
What do you feel about this one?
Wonderful. We have to do this one at least 100 trees per person. I have planted mahogany plant here. It will grow about 50 to 55 feet above ground level, and it is fastest growing plant. It will grow 50-55 feet, and is very good for furnitures and other things. So thank you Value Point for giving me a chance to plant a plant.
Yeah, today we have come to Kolar district, and we are planting some trees over here in October 2nd in memory of Mahatma Gandhi. I'm so happy and thrilled to do this one. Thank you.
Great initiative by Value Point. In fact, it's the first which I am seeing in the last, more than a decade. We used to actually do this during our school time. We used to go to our village and do all this. So it's all missing for a long time. Great initiative, and liking doing this work. Thank you.
ಮಾಡಿ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ರಿಚುವಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಟ್ ಗಿಡ ನೆಡ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರೈನಿಂಗ್. ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಅಮ್ಮ.
ಒಟ್ಟು 8 ಎಕರೆ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ಕೋಟಿ ನಾಟಿ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಎಕರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪರ್ಸ್ ಹಣ್ಣು ಕಾಯಿ ಹೂವು ಬಿಡುವಂಥ ಪುಷ್ಪ ಬೀಜ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಲ್ ಬಾಗಿನ ತಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ 1.5 ಸಾವಿರ ಒಂದು ಗಿಡ ಸರ್. ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಗಿಡ.
ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರು ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನವರು ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಡಿಜಿನಸ್ ಸ್ಪೀಷೀಸ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಮರ್ತುಬಿಟ್ರು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಸ್ಪೀಷೀಸ್ ತಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಓಕು, ಅಶೋಕ, ನೀಲಗಿರಿ ಯಾವು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶೀಯ ತಳಿಗಳಲ್ಲ. ಅವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ಡ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಮರ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಬರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಆಶ್ರಯ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ನೆರಳಾಗಬೇಕು, ಟಿಂಬರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಹೂ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಹಣ್ಣು ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಿ, ನೀವು ಅಶೋಕ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್? ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ ನಾನು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ
ಒಂದು 5 ಬನ್ನಿ
ಈರಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಏನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾತಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಜಾತಿ ನೀನು ಹೇಳ
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇವಿಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಹೊಂಗೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು, ಹೂವರ್ಸಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಂಪಂಗಿ
ಬನ್ನಿ ಗಿಡ ನಾಗಲಿಂಗ, ಪಾರಿಜಾತ, ಬುಕ್ಕುಲು, ಬಹುಮುನಿ ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.